Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miliki. If today is your first time stopping by, hi, hello darling, welcome to the family. So on today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful zigzag ponytail hairstyle. And if this sounds so interesting to you, please kindly subscribe and watch to the end so you will not get missed on any step I make in this video. So guys, let's get started. First of all, I use my setting lotion to soften my natural hair. Then after moisturizing the hair, then I use this hair comb to section my front part of the hair where I will be able to zigzag it, like where I will use for this achieving the zigzag hairstyle. So guys, I am done with the whole of section of the front part of the hair. So now I'll be going with this hair wax, go to be hair wax, to lay down the hair because my hair is 4C type, and I'm using only this go to be hair wax for this to lay it down. And immediately I apply little, then I will brush and comb so that it will circulate all the parts where I cannot able to apply the hair wax. So guys, this part is optionally, you can decide to bring out your baby hair, but for me I love bringing out my baby hair so it will get more beautiful for me. And it is time for the zigzag pattern. First of all, the front part that I bring it out, I have to divide it, like I have to divide from the center part, which is the middle part. I have to shade, like not straight, it should be a kind of strike, so you can able to achieve it. I believe when you are watching this video you understand what I'm doing, you understand where I'm going to, like where I'm getting to, so just keep on watching please. Alright, so guys, I want to appreciate every one of you out there throughout last year 2023 for always coming to support this channel for me. Despite I was not punctually uploading video, I will skip some weeks, some months, but you guys keep coming to support me. I said may God Almighty bless you all and protect you all for me. And yeah, this is my first video for the year 2024. Sorry it's coming so late. I want to wish you all happy new year. I know it's late, but forgive me. Happy new year to everyone out there. I pray we will all live to see the next of the year 2025, and for this year 2024 I pray should be better than our last year 2023, and whatever we request for God this year 2024, may God Almighty grant it for us. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for always coming to support me. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. My heart beat for you guys. Like I'm so happy to have you guys, like have a family like you guys. Yeah, and I pray for this channel this year, I pray we do better than last year. So guys, I will be using this rubber band to tie my natural hair back for the ponytail. So this is the hair I want to make use of. This is the hair I want to use for the ponytail, and it is crochet hair, which I can easily crochet it down to my natural hair. But yeah, I'm not using a crochet, it's a rubber band. I want to use a rubber band to secure it on my so guys, I will use the crochet. I will open the crochet loop and pass it through under the rubber band, then to grab the hair and pull it out. Or it can either without the crochet, you can use your hand to pass it through. And yeah, I do not want this video to be so long, so I just did only 3 and went offline to complete the remaining one. And yeah, this is the brunt of the hair, and you can see it on my hand how I want to install it on my natural hair. So keep on watching and see the way I want to get to this style. After installing the hair on my natural hair, then I will grab one strand of hair to wrap it all around the ponytail knot so it will look more good and to secure the hair very tight for me. So guys, there come the finished look of this hairstyle. I was so happy to achieve this zigzag ponytail for myself. I don't know what you think about this zigzag ponytail, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And guys, if you love what I'm doing and you find this video helpful to you, please kindly subscribe to this channel. And yeah, don't forget to hit the notification button so that each time I upload a video like this, you will be the one to see it first. I love you guys. Please always remember to share and like my video. See you on my next video. Bye.